Hello everyone, today we're going to be cleaning these diamond stud earrings. To begin with, I'm adding a few drops of fairy liquid to a bowl of warm water. It's important that the water is warm rather than hot, as excessive heat isn't suitable for all types of jewellery or gemstones. So we'll leave the earrings to soak for around 10 to 15 minutes. After about 10 to 15 minutes that they've had a chance to soak, I'm using a soft toothbrush to gently clean the earrings. Over time, everyday wear can leave behind a surprising amount of oil, skincare products and general build-up, all of which can dull a diamond sparkle. Let's see if we can bring these back to life. Take your time around here and pay particular attention to the underside of the setting and around the posts, as these are the areas where dirt tends to accumulate. The earrings are already looking much brighter, but I can still see a little stubborn dirt around the setting. So we're going to repeat the process, and I'll prepare another bowl with a few more drops of fairy liquid and some fresh water, and let's leave it to soak for another 10 to 15 and give it a scrub. Before rinsing the earrings, make sure you cover your sink with a plate or using the plug.